Okay, today we're going to talk about using unit rates to find equivalent ratios. Okay, so I'm going to use a unit rate to find the unknown value. And I can see I have 120 to 20 is equal to 300 to n. Okay, now a lot of times we're going to look for that relationship between ratios. Okay, but 300 is not a multiple of 120, so it's not going to work so easy that way. So I'm going to take this 120 to 20, and I'm going to write it as a unit rate. Oops. Okay, 100 to 20, and I want to have a denominator of 1. 20 divided by 20 is 1. 120 divided by 20 is 6. So I've written an equivalent fraction with 1 as a denominator. That's the unit rate. Now I'm going to take that unit rate and I'm going to solve for n. Okay, so 6 to 1 is equal to 300 to n. And now I can look, 300 the multiple is 6. 6 times 50 is 300. 1 times 50 is 50. So n is equal to 50. Okay, and again, there's a relationship between the ratios. 6 times 50 is 300. 1 times 50 is 50. Or within the ratios. 1 times 6 is 6. 50 times 6 is 300. Okay, let's look at another one. 32 to 4 equals, I'll put a variable in here to represent the unknown number. 9 is not a multiple of 4. Okay, so that ratio that relationship between the ratios doesn't help. Okay, so I'm going to make 32 to 4. I'm going to write that as a unit rate. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 32 divided by 4 is 8. And now I can use my unit rate to find that unknown value. Okay, 1 times 9 is 9. 8 times 9 is 72. Okay, so 8 to 1 is equal to 72 to 9. And again, I'm going to check my math by looking at those relationships. 1 times 9 is 9. 8 times 9 is 72. Okay, there's that relationship between the ratios or within. 1 times 8 is 8. 9 times 8 is 72. Okay, both of these problems too, I can go back and I can look at my original ratios because these are all equivalent ratios. So in this one, okay, I said n is equal to 72. I could go back up here and take a look at that. 9 times 8 is 72. 4 times 8 is 32. In this one here, I said n was equal to 50. Okay, 50 times 6 is 300. 20 times 6 is 120. Okay, so unit rates are a great way to find unknown values in equivalent ratios.